Hey guys, Trev here from Norwood Sawmills, and I just want to share with you a couple ideas on working alone and how to make it a little bit easier. Common question I get asked all the time is, can I do it myself? The answer is yes, you definitely can, and there's a few things you can do to make it a little bit lighter or a little bit easier on your back. So I'll share with you what I do when I'm working alone, and what I am set up as. To my left side I have my logs to load, and you can either do it, if you're a manual machine with our loading system with the ramps and the crane arm, you can winch them up that way, or if you've got your own tractor and your own means, you can of course load them that way. To my right is where I keep my tractor with my forks, and that's where all my bark and my slab edges go until my forks are loaded, and then I take them to my weighing pile and I dump them. And on the far end of my mill is where I keep my trailer, and that's where I put all my finished lumber. And it's roughly the same height as my cutting deck, so I slide right off my cutting deck onto my trailer. I don't have to pick anything up very much or lift it a whole lot more than I need to, and just makes the day go a little bit smoother. So hopefully that helps you out.